So this here is an example of nature knows what to do. This tree was struck down, fell over during our last big rain event, and now it's all dried out, and you can see, well, they've run away. I don't see them, but it's home to a bunch of little critters now that were just running away as I walked up. Let's see if they'll come out and say hello. Not today. I'm making too much noise because I'm talking. Oh, I hear a woodpecker though. Very cool. So nothing in nature gets wasted. Just getting here at the tail end of my walk here. This tree, oh my god, I love this tree. It looks like a giant mushroom to me that you can just walk underneath and feel like you're in Alice in Wonderland or something. It's really cool. And then as you come around this bend, there's another gorgeous rock up here that I always just take a moment to look at and appreciate. It's so awesome here. Just thought I'd share. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Bye-bye.